Hi guys, it's Saturday and we have picked up Kimiya's Hayat for unboxing. Kimiya, which is known as Kemi. It says blending magic here. Let's look at the presentation. It's a good heavy silver box. Here is the ingredients, batch code, says made in Italy. Let's open it. Alright, so it's again a beautiful white box, probably looks like leather with Kemi logo here, and here comes the bottle. It's tied up with the ribbon here. You see the presentation itself looks so rich. It's on velvet here, and the bottle is quite heavy. Probably it might weigh as maybe half a kg. Kimiya written here. Kimiya Hayat. The cap itself is very exotic and heavy here. The fragrance, this is more of Arabic perfumery done in the French way, in rather Italian way. In this, the main ingredients here, probably this is a oud based fragrance. Someone from Projekt Perfumery, some of the reviewer will come with the fragrance description very soon. This was the unboxing video from Projekt Perfumery India. Have fun.